So hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Numoya Go Brush Pro. Okay, so this is the product you can see over here. This is the brush. So you should buy this product or not, and is this really worthy, and what are the major problems of this product? So in this video we will cover lots of information. So let's get started. So first thing I want to tell you, this brand is approx like 11 months from now, and this brand trust score is not too good. So it means the website product is not worthy, and the reason behind this thing I want to tell you, the same product is easily available on amazon.uk. you can see over here, but right now this is currently unavailable, or you can select out of stock. And you can see the same product is available only in $64.99 on Go Supply. Name is exact same, Numoya. And if we talk about, you can see over here Numoya Go brush only in $29 or $55 pack of 2, and if you go with like 1 pack, then the costing is like approx $60. But you can see the ratings is very bad. Okay, so if we talk about like more stores, you can see the product is easily available on different you can select website, and this is a very common product. Okay, so it means the brand is looking like good, you can say the brand name is looking good, but the product is a very common product. So we cannot 100% say you will get good quality product or you will get a drop shipping product, because in today's time drop shipping is a very popular scam. And what are the major problems? The major problem is like when you place your order, the results you will not get as they show in the advertisement, and the product quality is also not too good as they shown in the advertisement. And if we talk about other interesting thing, that is like return and refund. When you purchase any product on dropshipping websites, you will not get your money back. You have to accept the order. Order is you can say like you accept, you can say like you like your product or not, you have to accept the order. So the basic thing I want to tell you, you should avoid, or you can make your own decision. If you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so my dear friend, this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. I have provided you information which I am getting from, you can say like internet, and that's it. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.